With the exponential growth of the digital space, how people book their trips has changed. What was once sitting down with a travel agent and explaining your dream trip has now become Pinterest boards on your phone. That's why it's so important to make sure your business looks good on a phone. This means your website, social media, and booking systems all need to be easily accessible, easy to view, and easy to use with and without a laptop. It's likely your competitors are already interacting with potential customers. So taking the steps to ensure your brand works with mobiles is important for any tourism operator. We call this mobile optimization. Plus, having a website optimized for mobile means your business ranks higher in Google. So what should you consider when optimizing your website? First, start with navigation. Since mobiles have a smaller screen size, it's important to consider the size of the booking buttons and make sure the call to actions are easy to find. Consider your audience when crafting your website. It's important to think about the habits of your audience, what questions they want the answers to, and how quickly you can give them it. A well-designed, easy-to-navigate aesthetic will be more likely to convert customers and keep customers on a website than a poorly designed, dated website. When it comes to designing and implementing changes to your website, thinking about mobile as well as desktop will help to focus on the core functions of your business. Keep in mind, your customers will be comparing your website to your competitors. If your website is too difficult to navigate, they will likely leave. To start your shift to prioritizing mobile optimization, test your website using Google's mobile-friendly test tool. Use a custom CSS to improve your website's responsiveness, or if you use a CRM like WordPress or Squarespace, choose templates and plugins that work for mobiles and reach out to their support team for help. Mobile optimization plays a crucial role in this as it is an expectation for customers, especially travelers and those on the move, that they can plan their trip from their pocket. So don't miss out. Make sure you show up when customers come looking.